Is your boobie-cat running rough? No worries. First, crack your bleeder valve on your fuel filter. Then drain your fuel filter. Next, close your filter back up. Now grab your primer ball and squeeze. And you just keep squeezing till you got a nice steady stream of fuel, no air. As you can see, I got some weird gunk coming out, so I'll probably have to change this filter also, but this will get it by. As soon as you got nothing but fuel, close that bleeder valve back up. Snug. Prime it a little more. And start her back up. No more backing down.